Yo, guys. Welcome back for a very special episode. It's going to be spicy. Very special episode. We have 2022 wrapping up today, coming to an end. What a year. What an awful trading year it's been. But that's okay. Life goes on. And we have new horizons in front of us coming in with this new year. I'm looking forward to it. Happy 2023 to everybody if I don't see you. If you're watching this in the future, let me know how it is. But here we go. Don't forget to smash the likes and subscribes, hype up the stream, share it, etc. Shout out to our sponsors, BingX, Market Cipher, and Bybit coming into the new year. So let's jump right into it. The question on everyone's mind. What is going on? What is the next year going to bring? If only I had all the answers, but I'll do my best. I'll do my best to share it with you. I'm hyped. You guys hyped? I'm hyped. I'm ready to get this year behind me. This has been personally, it's been a good year. But trading channel, this has been the slowest. I'm ready to get 2023 all in the books. I'm ready to get it started, so cheers, everybody. In front of us is the entire history of Bitcoin, the BLX chart. I can even hide this because we're not really looking at levels. We have something that's about to confirm in 5 hours. There's a very small chance, and when I say very, I mean extremely small chance that it might not happen. But what we have here on the yearly time frame for Bitcoin is a first. This has never happened. Hopefully will never happen again. Time will tell. So these are yearly candles, and what we see here on 2022 is a bearish engulfed yearly candle. Now, 5.5 hours to go. Bitcoin would have to trade back above $29,000. That is, gosh, that's a huge gain from here. No way, 75%? Are we really that low? A 74% gain in the next 5 hours. I don't have high hopes for it. But if Bitcoin does, and when it does, let's say, close below 29,000. That'll be the first bearish engulfing candle. We were the first to spot this. I definitely want to put that out there. We spotted this months and months and months ago. No one was talking about it back here. Let's see, May, June of this year. When Bitcoin lost the $29,000 level, we said, wow, it's dropped into a bearish engulfing candle. I will admit, I did not think it would close this way. I thought we were going to see a rally. We didn't get it. The last 4 quarters, provided, this one's close. Red, if it can trade back above just 19.4, we can have a green Q4 candle. Hopes not looking so good here. Really not looking great. Likely, from the volatility we've seen over the last weeks, unlikely to see any kind of real meaningful move into the end of the year. We actually have seen the lowest Bitcoin volatility on the books in the last few weeks. So this is looking likely gonna close around 16.6. Not a lot of spice to be expected here on the horizon. So today what we're gonna look at, I'm gonna try to run over the big crypto events of 2022. It really seems like there's too many to even remember. Someone asked me yesterday, what are all the big events that happened in crypto in 2022? And man, that was not easy to get all the answers. I have to pull up my notes here. So let me see. Let's talk about the events, news, and milestones in the world of cryptocurrency in 2022. As the year began, the overall market cap of cryptocurrencies was on the rise. I'm going to disagree with this little thing that's written here. I'm going to disagree. If we look at total crypto market cap, it really was not on the rise. It had just peaked and it had been falling. Little did we know it would fall so far. One of the major news events in the first half of the year was the announcement of Coinbase IPOing. This was huge for the crypto space, and it was the first time a major cryptocurrency exchange went public and became publicly traded. This was pretty big. It generated a lot of buzz and attracted significant attention from both investors and the general public. Spicy. I wonder if this is about 2021. No, 2022. Another major event in 2022 was the increase in institutional adoption for Bitcoin and other cryptos. Major companies such as Tesla and PayPal announced they would be accepting Bitcoin as payment. Wait, that was definitely 2021. Maybe this is a 2021 recap. Either way. Let's skip this because this is wrong. Let me see. So off the top of my head, we had the Ethereum merge successfully take place. We saw proof of Ethereum switch from a proof of work model to a proof of stake model. Big stuff. No cryptocurrency has ever attempted nor successfully pulled this off. And so I will say, this is the end of the year. I guess I have to admit all the times I was wrong this year. I did not expect it to go so smoothly. Ethereum price didn't really respond so hot, really just traded sideways since, but that was massive. It's really easy to forget all of the big milestones we've seen this year. Let's see what else there was. The Luna UST Dogecoin debacle. Kind of got a pin put in it with this SBF and FTX news. It's weird. We haven't really heard any follow-up. Does anyone know what happened to Dogecoin? Did he ever get arrested? Who knows? Celsius collapse, BlockFi collapse, FTX, Alameda, SBF. Lots of contagion in the crypto space, and we saw insolvencies and liquidations across the market. And really what we're left with now, it seems, are these stronger, more conservative exchanges holding on. The SEC versus Ripple, the case continues all throughout 2022 with no resolution. Hopefully in 2023, the SEC will give us a little more insight, and we'll get a ruling on that in the coming year. The SEC versus Kim Kardashian. Another thing that I don't really remember hearing a wrap up to. Did they ever get charged with anything? I know they were charged, but were they ever convicted? Don't know. We had a historic year of interest rate hikes. Historic year of interest rate hikes. We've been following the FOMC meetings here month over month. The next one's in February, sadly. Those are a wild time. I'm glad you guys tuned in for those. Love them. Mr. Pow and Gina. February. Mark it on your calendars. Let's see. Three Arrows Capital. Although that was kind of involved with the Dogecoin stuff. The Axie Infinity Ronin Bridge hack. That was a big one. The BSC chain hack. Voyager Digital went bankrupt. CZ and SBF going at it on Twitter. We have the war in Ukraine. This is a huge milestone, actually, that is easy to forget. Huge milestone. This was the first time we saw cryptocurrency directly help countries or send aid to countries without a middleman. That was huge. We all got rug pulled by Ukraine. We didn't get the NFTs they promised, but I did walk away with my I got rug pulled by Ukraine NFT, and to me that's priceless. Let's see. There's also Tornado Cash sanctions, Elon Twitter acquisition. Man, the list just goes on, doesn't it? Just goes on. All of these things in one awful red year, and we're putting it all behind us. Here's the good news. It's going to be very difficult for 2023 to be worse than 2022. Knock on wood, everybody. Don't jinx it, but wow. Wow, it's been a year. Thank God it's over. So the big highlight of this stream is going to be the yearly bearish engulfing and 4 red quarters of traded price action on Bitcoin. Pretty huge. Pretty huge. Somebody over on TikTok, Big D, what's up, man? Can I do TA on ETH? Yeah, we'll get there. Just so you know, we have Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, obviously, Ripple XRP, HBAR, Hedera, Solana or Sol, Doge, and a few more charts pulled up we're going to get through in this live stream, so stay tuned. Keep smashing the likes. Keep following and subscribing. Appreciate you guys. Keep the stream hyped. Let's revisit this. I pulled this up in the last stream, and pulling from these two lows, and I will admit this, kind of a weird low to pull from back here. August of 2017, but the trend line doesn't lie. It's pretty spicy. So let's take a peek at that trend line and what's going on here. We did have a red trading day. Let's go to the 1 day. We did have a red trading day yesterday that settled up actually significantly higher than it traded down to. Intraday 16.3, settled back up at 16.3 or 16.6. These moves are so tiny, it is painful to my soul. Today, in the last day of the year, we have really nothing. We have nothing. We have no new high versus yesterday, no new low versus yesterday yet. We do have local daily support sitting at 16,540, and probably a good time to bring up my live stream trades. I am in a long. It's not a huge one. It's bigger than the one I was in. It was taken from 16,560. Really, basically was just playing, I believe, when I did this. I must have had 2 orders. playing that local daily support from the 29th and 28th. Really simple. Not a lot of thought into it, but we are still above this trend line, so it still remains interesting. At first I thought it was really just gibberish, and now as we do see kind of even down to, I think I showed this maybe last stream, maybe not, even down to the hourly time frame. This is what kind of blew my mind. Is even down to the hourly time frame, we saw a wick low and then a very strong buying response. To me, this is evidence that this trend line is not just hopium, that it actually is something the market is paying attention to. With the hourlies trading lower and then settling above that trend line before close, that shows me that some kind of market makers are watching this trend. However, I want to warn you, say into the end of today or tomorrow, we see a move down below that trend again. If we close the daily, I'm going to think that this trend line is broken, and that may be the earliest canary in the mine telling us Bitcoin's going to go lower. I have been of the opinion that we've had 4 red quarters, and we're very likely to see a green quarter coming into 23. I'm still of that opinion. Obviously, time will tell. Not really much else to say about that. This was the TA from our previous stream. Still kind of holding up. We were looking for a potential broadening wedge. Looks like we got it. As after the live stream, we got one test here. And came close to testing it again on this wick low, never actually reaching 16,280, and we're pretty much just back above support, 16,560. Not a lot going on here. We're going to start from the low time frames. Let's see what we might expect in the immediate future into 23. Little weakness on the 5. Undecided on the 15, but leaning more bullish, I'll say. I'll say leaning more bullish. 30 not so hot, kind of mixed. 45 is in selling. We do see selling here on market side for B, but we see our peaks in money flow, our red peaks here coming down. Our momentum moving up and our VWAP moving up. This could mean to me by the end of the day, the 45 minute is going to look to push price up. Let's look at the hour. The hour just rolled over and rolled back. Not the hottest take. Not the hottest take there. Let's see what the 2's got for us. 2 hour, seeing that money flow roll over, in my opinion, again to the 4 hour. Too close to call. 6 hour. 6 hour looking kind of bearish. The 12 hour just reaching red money flow again. Boo. That's a really low VWAP low. On the 12, that kind of like from the 4 to the 12 hour, not seeing too much bullishness. The daily or 24 hour not looking so hot either. We do see that VWAP coming up though. So on a stronger close today, we could see some upside price action. Something I think that every trader should have in mind today though, is no matter what we see on our indicators and really no matter what we see on our charts here today, with the exclusion of a crazy rally to 29,000, maybe even just a crazy rally to 19,000, much lower, with the exception of those, it's unlikely that what we find on the chart today is going to be super meaningful tomorrow. As these huge time frames reset, such as the daily, monthly, yearly, probably even multi-years if we, let me see, this is the 13th year, we're going into the 14th year of Bitcoin. 13's prime, so not multi-year. What we see is going to be pretty irrelevant as these new time frames rolling over are likely to take priority or to kind of muscle out any of the lower time frame signals we have today. From what I see, really not a lot of upside in the next few hours. I mean, we could get a curveball, but I doubt it. Test of support at 16,560 might be in the books. This has looked worse. I'll say this really local low time frame price action has looked worse. You can see maybe here in our broadening wedge, this does look like a local bottom at least. So it would not surprise me to see some retracement, even if we're going to see selling into 2023. Let's make a copy quick. George has sent a rose over on TikTok. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate your rose. Love you too. Let's look at, let's put this on the 4 hour. Let's get our Fibonacci extension and retracement tool. Are we on log? Yes. We're on log. If we do see this act as a local low, I mean, I could see this. I could see 16.7. That really doesn't get us anywhere and really just puts us right back to where we consolidated. That's not the best take. That's not what I wanted to see. But who cares? 2022 is over soon. This is the last 2022 stream of Tom Crown, and I thank you all for being here. You guys are flipping awesome. I could see some bottoming here. Let's jump into our other charts. Total crypto market cap. We can see we started the year at 2.25 trillion dollars, and this has been just a downward spiral. Really no dead cat bounces. This has been a very strange bull market, or let's say market cycle. The bull market top, unlike really anything we've seen in Bitcoin, with arguably a double top, a slightly higher high. We've never seen Bitcoin end a run this way. Typically, it ends a run with like a 100% move, a blow off top, and then we see a lower high, usually at a 618 golden retracement. We didn't get it. We really got this little bounce to 48K on Bitcoin, which we talked about shorting live back in April, May of this year. And just no bids. Dropped from 48K to 17 to 15, and now we're in a really pretty ugly pattern. Crypto shedding its gains of 21. This is kind of the way I view total crypto market cap right now. There is more to this story, but we are seeing lower highs. We are seeing a pretty flat bottom. Now, the thing that kind of makes this spicy and mixes up our TA is, if I can click it, something we've talked about a lot. If we go back to 2018's high, its market cycle high in total crypto market cap, we find that level is 761 billion. Today, we are trading at 758 billion, so within a margin of error of that previous high. I don't like that we've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tests of this level. I was really hoping this would hold a strong support, but that didn't happen. We're seeing pretty weak lows here, and maybe we have some kind of divergence. We can say we have bullish divergence on the day on our lows here. Our RSI lows are coming up, but our price lows are not. But that's just not enough hopium. We need some better stuff. Give me your best hopiums. Give me your best hopium. There it is. Interesting. So I actually didn't look at this until now. This is the yearly candles on total crypto market cap. Not sure why I didn't look at them, but what we see here is a much closer race. So Bitcoin needs to trade all the way to almost 30,000 to invalidate its bearish engulf yearly candle. On total, it really only needs to, it only needs to close 2 billion higher in 5 hours. That's very reasonable. That's absolutely reasonable. That's not a crazy ask like Bitcoin's, 75% gain in 5 hours. That's pretty crazy. Look at this. 1, 2, 3 hours ago, total crypto market cap actually traded above. Oh no, it got traded out of its bearish engulf, potentially seeing a higher low. This actually might be pretty good. I didn't expect this. It will only take 2 billion, currently at 758 billion, to invalidate the bearish engulf in the yearly. I think that would actually be a really good sign for the crypto market heading into 23. If we could see that close invalidated, that'd be great. That'd be a start. That would definitely be a start. What's up, Danny? Thank you for the 2023s. I appreciate you, man. Is this pre-recorded? No. How could it be? How could it be? All right. Let's take a peek at our altcoins. Let me pull up the YouTube chat here quick. Struggling today. Who's over there? What's up, John Thomas? Marmar, just playing crazy. Robert, my man. Steve O. How you doing, bro? James Caldwell. Steger. There's Bajarki. Bajarki, I did get your email response. I need to message you back. I've been tied up with the with getting into the New Year's and such. Wow, 219 viewers. This is as slim as it gets here. That's okay. We got 220 of the best people here over on YouTube. What's up, Duke Burger, Colin McDonald, Ed, Didac Diablo, Fahid Hassan, Leo Goddess, Just Thomas, great name, Bry Guy, Ryan, David, my boy David, Cryptogenic Virgil, Michuana, Uncle Candles. Happy New Year. Bajarki gifting 20 subs and then the super chat. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you, my friend. I'll get back to you probably tomorrow. I'm going to go out and party tonight. Faux show. But I appreciate you for being here. We're getting in our 2022 recap stream. We just went through kind of the main events of 2022, what we're looking for into this close, and these memberships are flying off the shelf. Flying off the shelf. Thank you, Bajarki, again, making our streams a little more spicy. Let's see who won. Ed, Friedbay, Nico, Mike, Kevin Baker, Barefoot Hetch, RS, Digital Versumi, Adrian Alexandru, Peter Dobrev, Glacier, and Havoc. Congrats on your memberships, my friend. 20 more. Bajarki keeping the club alive by himself. That's wild. Thanks, dude. Appreciate you, bro. So this is what we're looking for on total crypto market cap. I'm going to set an alert. That would be awesome. But it's hard to feel bullish again. That means the bottom's close. It's close. Let's take a look at Shiba. Shiba Inu. Very far from a bullish engulf. Currently trading at 50781. Bearish engulf line sitting at 4 zeros, 3000 basically. Pretty much the hope is off the table for a invalidation of our bearish engulf for Shiba Inu. Oh no. Technically does have a higher low versus June. More people are ready. Tom G. My dude, Tom G. Appreciate you. Bajarki, he says. I know. He's the man of the hour. The man of the week. We do see higher lows here after higher highs, and this is starting to paint, in my opinion, a pretty symmetrical triangle. I'm still looking, though. If I was going to play Shiba at all, I'd still be looking down here in the 600 or 700 level. That's some pretty strong support. We saw that from September, October. Consolidation before it took off. Still looking down there as most of the market has broken its recent lows. SHIB kind of holding on to its June low still, meaning it is gaining against Bitcoin. So SHIB BTC should be green since June of this year. Let's look at the monthly maybe. 1 month. Not looking so hot, but coins are very happy, it seems. Very happy that the month and year are coming to the close, as these are some really ugly monthly candles. Not really a lot going on this chart. If we do see a bounce or even a sell-off, I could see on the monthly here about quad 1000. Good resistance target for SHIB. If you did take a long or do take a long down here, probably a good TP. I'm not going to play this. I have my $100 of SHIB I bought October of 21, and I'm just going to sit on it forever. Silver continues. Now, it's not a cryptocurrency, but it continues to be interesting. We charted this out a while ago. We're looking for a 618 golden retrace at $25.17. And it does seem as if silver's creeping up on in there. Trading at 23, or closing its week at 23.93. It could open into 2023 closer to that $25 target. Then I'm going to be looking for a back test of 21.6. Not a ton has changed there. When we last streamed, silver was, I don't know, slightly lower, 50 cents lower than it is now. Still, I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Really, it's going to come down to silver breaking this high trend, which we can see kind of lines up with where we're looking. If it doesn't break it, likely to see silver trade back down, maybe form some kind of flag or flat bottom. Time will tell. Let's take a peek at the year. Quite a yearly chart. Quite a yearly chart for silver. Traded down to $17.20. Now settling the year at $23.90. Not too shabby. It did put in an all-new time, wow, I can't speak. A new all-time high in 2011, which has not been broken. And in fact, we can see a pretty strong response here to that yearly close. $30.25. We see resistance here. It did smack the rally back in 21. And now we're even seeing in 2022, kind of struggling with our more local yearly highs at 26.30. That might actually be a better target than 25. Time will tell. Will silver ever do anything? You know what's interesting actually about silver real quick? On the regular chart, this looks kind of good. You see our lows coming up, our highs were broken. We put it on the logarithmic chart. This is a totally different chart. This looks very, very different. And I would argue this looks much more bullish. We see kind of a flat top with our lows ascending over the last, 50 years. This is why I don't trade silver. Over the last 50 years, it does look to be making a very bullish structure on the logarithmic chart. But how many years will that take? I have no idea. Precious metals are an awesome part of a portfolio. They help to keep your portfolio diversified. I highly recommend them. Move on to XRPzels. What's up, Dale? Virgil? Who else is here? If you're here and you've gotten a membership in the last week in YouTube, just put in a little emote in the chat. Let us know you're here. FM demo. Silver and uranium in 23. All right, I'll take it. Alchemist hot engulfing garbage. Dude, yeah, right. John Crane, huge cup and handle. I agree. Hello, George T. Give some hopium about Litecoin. I probably could do that. Probably can do that. Let's see what else here. Dom, FM demo, Barak, Pepito, Nochi, Crypto Birdie. Bajarki is the man. He is the man. So our XRP trade got wrecked. It got wrecked. We had such a beautiful inverse head and shoulders pattern. We had a neckline, and XRP dumped through it since the last stream. Man, this looked so good. It looked so good. I guess you can't even see the trade here. Where is it? I don't know where the trade went. We had a trade here, though. We were looking to go from the neckline on the daily at 35.5 cents, looking to play that up to 38.3. The last few days have had something else in mind. On the 29th, we dumped down below. The 30th, we tested this well, not very macro. We tested what looks like this was bullish divergence. Our bullish divergence trend line. Okay. Did not actually test this trend line. But it does look like maybe it's holding a higher low here on the day, but I'd like to see it settle back up above 34.6 cents. Let's look at the year. You just don't look at the yearly candles all that often. This is not the full history of XRP. We can kind of see it does differ from Bitcoin. It does differ from total market cap, as it hasn't painted a bearish engulfed yearly. And in fact, it's not looking to. It would have to trade all the way down to 21 cents in the next 5 hours for that to happen. Don't think it's going to happen. Very strong resistance. Very visible on XRP up here at $1.95. That's from our yearly close in 17 and 18. Price was rejected from there in 21 and now potentially looking for a higher low. On the yearly, we do have that 20 cents down here, 19.5. That's going to be a strong support if it's ever tested. Don't know if it'll ever be tested. Time will tell. Time will tell. Monthly momentum on the sell side is slowly waning off. It has reached all the way back to its 618 retracement from its macro low in 2020 to its high in 21. It's a little hard to see, but we see our 618 is at 32.7 cents. That's right where the monthlies began to consolidate before they broke higher. And now it's coming back to test it again. Breaking 32.7, not going to be a great take for XRP. Mr. Bajarki with more memberships. It's New Year's. It's New Year's. Memberships for everyone. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. If you guys haven't gotten one yet, which maybe you all have, make sure you've enabled gifting memberships, subscribed, and liked the stream. YouTube gives them to active participants in the stream. That's what it says. That's what it tells me. I don't get to choose. I wish I did. So XRP, kind of an interesting yearly close, standing apart from the rest of the crypto market, but still not looking super hot. I definitely wanted to update on Hedera hash graph, or HBAR. Since our last live stream, we saw major support 4.56 or 57 cents. We saw that reject price, and we were looking for not necessarily historical support, but implied support by our Fibonacci extension and retracement tool. This is where the TA magic comes in. Just by using this tool, we were able to mark out two levels. Our next chart actually is a better example of this. Looking for a 1618 extension at 3.56 cents and our measured move at 3 0.033 cents. We have not reached either of these, but it's pretty clear price action is headed in that direction as we're on the 5th day of kind of accelerating momentum to the downside. Those targets seem pretty likely. We're ready. But Jarky, gifting those memberships. Just Thomas, congrats. Skip Factor. David, my man David, congrats. Ando, Niku, Noegs, and Viper. 10 more memberships to tomcrown fam on YouTube. On the day, we're not seeing any kind of divergence as RSI is being dragged down with price, and we're seeing our lowest point in RSI equal to our lowest point in price, so no divergence there, unfortunately. Surprisingly, this probably isn't the whole history either, but Hedera has not traded into a bearish engulf. It still could happen today, as that's only about a 15% move. I'm going to say it's unlikely, but Hedera holding above 3.17 cents puts it in that category with XRP, kind of standing alone or standing apart from the majority of the market, which is bearish engulfed on the year. Our month is wrapping up as well, and it looks like hot garbage, unfortunately. Looks pretty much like hot garbage. We have major monthly support for Hedera at just under 3 cents, and we can see that from the consolidation from February all the way into January of 21. So February 2020 to January 21, we saw price efficiently trade above 3 cents. That's the logical target here. Our implied targets are cool. They may be kind of knife catching good trades, but just under 3 cents is our historical support. And this monthly close, man, this doesn't make me think anything other than that's likely to be tested. It'll all be green someday, baby. But Jarky going nuts over there on the memberships. Going nuts, my friend. 20 more. You are the man. I know I said it, but I did get your email. I got to respond. I read it, and then I was like, I need to put a thoughtful response to this, and then I got distracted. 20 more memberships, my G's. Breham GC, The Bit Cryptoski, MP, Alex Cruz, Aaron, Ivo Pauls, Jarko, Where Do I Sats? I like that name. CB, Bostain Oset, Chris Chillin, Ivan Takchev, Martin Mali, Jeremy Rozich, Rob, Ken Stout, Fresco Matamala, Wutilesichin, I can't pronounce that, some German, David Cook, 04 Ayan Chatterjee. 20 more for the books, dude. Thank you. Thank you, Bajarki. You're the man. You're blowing it up. What's up, Vanessa? How you doing? Good to see you. Happy 2023. Steve S. in the house. Planet Worth. Love you, Mr. Crown. Love you too. Love you all, guys. I know you think I just say that, but you guys, I love you. I love you all. You mean so much to me. If it wasn't for you, I would be doing this alone in my room, and it'd be really boring. What's up, Diamond Sauce? You learned how to enable gifts, so now's the time. Hello. What's up, Abominable Rain Man? JC, Crypto Interested. Enabled gifts. Jump into the party, man. Make sure you've liked and subscribed. Keep smashing those likes. Shared it. And enabled gifting. And you may end up with a little Santa present from our stream into the end of the year. Solana. This is one of our best. I said that we were going to look at a better example of Fibonacci extensions. Right here. One of our best catches in a while. Using the exact same logic that we just showed on Hedera. We implied the 1618 was at $9 and the 2 measure move was at $8.01. Sol traded to $7.95. This was an amazing call. An amazing TA. What I'm looking for now, and this is maybe where the amazing TA ends, is I'm looking for a back test of $12.50. This was support. We've seen our 2 measured move or implied target perfectly hit. We saw buyers come in. Really what happened is I don't believe buyers came in. I believe that people started to open short heavily when $11 broke, and really this bounce or wick we're seeing here is just shorts closing, creating market order buys. Obviously, there are people buying it as well, but I believe that this is more to do with short leverage closing than it is actually spot buyers. I'm looking for a test of $12.50. Not a lot has changed there. I'm still targeting lower lows as 1250 has broken and Solana really just put in inefficient price action on the way up. We don't have significant support until all the way down to like $4.75. That's where I'm looking. I might even toss in a few dollars, a few coins to the Witcher there at $4.74 if it comes. That would be pretty spicy. SBF Crash Soul that he did. George T was a good boy for Christmas. He wants a sub. How do you enable gifting? It should just like prompt you when you join the live stream. I don't know outside of that. Yanis Nani, can you give me an indicator that helps me in trading? Check out Market Cipher. Check out Lux Algo. I personally use RSI, MACD, Market Cipher B. I like Ichimoku Cloud moving averages. Those are my kind of go-tos. This is what I would recommend. What's my thoughts on CryptoFace closing out $1 million trade? That's just business as usual for him. Love CryptoFace. He's a good dude. Anyone want to trade PS4? No, get out of here. Get out of here, man. What's up, Kojo? Crypto. Oop. Always with the coolest sunglasses? Well, that's what we do, baby. We sunglass. Let's pull up Doge. We made a live stream trade on Doge. We'll check that out. But first, let's take a peek at the year as it is closing. Last year's behemoth of a run on Doge was 131% gain. No, my bad. That was 2020. It made 131% gain. In 2021, it made a 3,577% gain. And you guys saw me live sell the F out of Doge. Took so much profit. It was amazing. This year, not so hot. The yearly opened at 17.3, traded as low as 4.8 cents, and now sitting at a comfortable 7 at support. This also is set apart from the rest of the market, as this doesn't have a bearish engulfing yearly candle. It would have to trade minus 99.5%, something like that, to bearish engulf in 5 hours, 4 hours, 51 minutes. Extremely unlikely. It looks probably like it's going to settle up right where it is at 7 cents for the year. We do have a monthly support here at 7 or 6 cents. And unfortunately, it does look like that's coming back to be tested again as this monthly wraps up. Not a lot of support. Unfortunately, you have that same thing as Solana. You have very inefficient price action on the way up from just under 1 cent all the way to 69 nice cents. If you break below 4.8 or 5, this low here of this year, you're likely looking to fill in that price inefficiency. That's not going to be very bullish. That's going to be pretty bloody if it comes. That's not good. No bueno. No bueno. Probably would be looking for support at 0.009 or 1.9 cents if we do see lower lows into 2023. Doge has performed extremely well. No one can say anything other than that. Never in my wildest dreams would I have expected it to go 3,500% in 21. Never. Ever, never. We placed a few potential longs, so let's zoom in on those and see what they look like. Ba-boom. Perfect. Perfect. We placed these on our last stream. I think that was the 29th or 28th. We were looking to go long potentially from support. All hypothetical, guys, not financial advice. Don't copy my trades unless you want to lose money. From 0.68, looking to take profit kind of right below the local daily high, 7.6, 7.7 cents. Our stop loss untouched. Our long trade filled. I'm going to set an alert. Has not taken profit yet. We're kind of looking for... I'm looking for this. I'm looking for maybe this high trend on Doge. Coming down here. Looking to play this to that high trend. I'd say, yeah. Target's good. 0.76, 0.77. You're coming off bullish divergence off of support. That's an excellent confluence here. We have a higher low in RSI with a lower low in price. That's hidden bullish divergence. Wonderful. Market Cipher B, money flow looks like absolute garbage. However, we do have this VWAP rolling back up off of support. I think that this trade is going to be a solid trade, to be honest. This is looking pretty good. We've been getting a little wrecked trying to catch these knives, but this one's looking pretty decent. I dig it. Dig it, Doge. Hopefully 2023 brings Doge some greenness. Time will tell. Time will tell. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Son of a bee. Okay, now it's Litecoin time, guys. This is for me. Sorry. I know you don't want to see it, but I want to talk about it. Litecoin versus Bitcoin. Oh my God. Oh my God. When we streamed, the last time we looked at this on stream, I was saying 0.04295, super exciting level for Litecoin. We only had a few more days left in the year, and I said, if it can settle above that, things are looking really awesome. It's interesting because this kind of stands apart from many other charts we see in crypto. Right now, most charts are looking at a bearish engulfing yearly candle. Litecoin versus Bitcoin. So Litecoin's value in Bitcoin. If that's confusing, you probably should Google BTC pairs. You can see here, we are currently at 0.04223. We need 0.04295. That is very, very doable in 5 hours. That's only 2%. Absolutely possible. Litecoin traded to basically a new all-time low against Bitcoin in this year. We've seen it been bought back up, creating yearly support at 0.031. And now with only 4 hours to go, battling into this close, oh my God, I will be hype AF. I will be hype AF if we get this close. Like, I will be so hype. November had a pretty meteoric run with a 71% gain against Bitcoin. We also saw a 25% gain against Bitcoin in June. What's interesting is it seems that Litecoin versus Bitcoin goes up when Bitcoin USD goes down. Now, that might be logical, but that's not really how it works all the time. And in fact, this is pretty wild. Litecoin since June up 200% against Bitcoin, making it one of the highest gaining since June's low. Weird because the dollar pair isn't so spectacular. But underneath the hood, we see Litecoin is actually making moves. Man, if this closes there, I'm going to be so hype. So hype, so close. In today's candle, it reached just below after what looks like potentially rejection, but I hope not, man. Let's put another alert. I hope not. Let's look at market cipher B. Ooh, higher high in momentum. We have a higher high on VWAP, money flow, trending up. Litecoin, I'm just going to make a call here. Not financial advice. Please don't just trade this and lose money or something. I'm going to make a call. Litecoin's looking to close the year bullish engulfed against Bitcoin. I will take that any day of the week. I'm hype. I'm hype on that. Nice. Nice. Even the USD pair not looking terrible. We identified the potential fractal or similar pattern right here on Litecoin. After it traded up to about $80 and fell to $62.17, we noticed that this is actually starting to look a lot like Bitcoin in the summer, or no, Bitcoin in September, October of 2022. And what that looked like essentially was, no, actually from March 2020 all the way up to 21. So what that looked like was a deep low, followed by a pretty flat but rounded top in response to that low. And from that, we saw a slow climb up, a higher high, kind of a Bart Simpson pattern. And what would continue this pattern is not breaking the lows. Very good trade, as the invalidation is very easy here. Let's pull it over to Bitcoin really quick. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Right here. Someone pointed this out. Shout out to them. I love it. March, we saw this deep low, kind of a rounding flat top. It popped up. We saw a Bart Simpson of sorts. And then we saw only higher lows. Low, 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 higher low, higher low, higher low. Before taking off into the stratosphere. Blue. Right? Pretty damn similar. I'm going to say it. Very similar. Not exactly the same, but very similar. As long as we see our lows hold, so at this point, 61.1, this is looking decent, especially if we couple it with LTC BTC strength. Man, 2023 may be the year for Litecoin. We'll see. I've been bullish on Litecoin forever. It's been not so great for my wallet, but I believe its time is coming. I believe its time is coming. Whether it's next year or not, I don't know. Something that is a little logical, if we want to apply some logic to the Litecoin rally potential, Litecoin's halving. I believe this is in 2023, whereas Bitcoin's is in 2024. Either way, Litecoin's halving is coming up much sooner than Bitcoin's. I'll have to look it up. Much sooner than Bitcoin's. And in the last bear market, we did see a rally kind of specific and unique to Litecoin. I don't want to say off the halving, but while everything else was dumping, Litecoin kind of just ran out of nowhere as it approached or past its halving. And maybe we're seeing that again here. Make your own choices. Do what you're comfortable with. But I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Nice. We got our numbers up a little bit. 275 viewing. How y'all doing? Gemini, what's up, man? Just home. Happy New Year's. Justin Khaki. Steve S. Why Litecoin? Why not Litecoin? I don't know. Bajarki making us look bad. No. Bajarki, dude, is he still going? Did I not hear it? Oh, I'm sorry. I silenced them. Relaxing Flights super chatted. Hear the master, Tommy Crown. Thank you, Relaxing Flights. Oh my goodness, Bajarki. Bajarki, so many memberships. Congrats to everyone if you got a membership during this live stream. Make sure you smash the likes and subscribe. But do me a favor, if you've gotten them in the last week or so, put one of those new emojis in the chat. We got 200 likes. We can get 420 likes with your help. We have 280 viewing. We can do it. We haven't gotten 420 in a while. Let's blaze it together. Let's blaze in the new year. Let's do it. Appreciate you all. Appreciate you all. Not a lot of movement here on Bitcoin. Kind of just trading sideways throughout the stream. Let me see. What are people saying over on the TikToks? There's only 6 viewers. Oh well. What's up, Vodak? Aoi Zihari. Yenis Nani. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you. You have a group Telegram? No. I mean, I do have a Telegram, but it's not really worth joining. Join the Discord, discord.gg/tomcrown. That's the best way to keep up with the streams, and you'll get a live airdrop. We should do a special live airdrop for the new year. What do you guys think? I think so. Crypto Sharknado, Happy New Year, my friend. Happy end of 2022. That's what I'm going to be saying. It's not Happy New Year. It's Happy Goodbye 2022. This has been a grueling year for markets. Would not recommend 2022. Let's put it behind us. We'll start a new year, and we can get some new stuff going. Get a new vibe in the markets. I have a good feeling. Knock on wood. Knock on Zavid. How long have we been live for? 30? 50 minutes. Cool. 2022 went speedy fast. The opposite for me. This was the longest year of my life. Holy hell. It felt like a whole decade. This has really been the longest year. Blazing now. Get it, Mitch. Mitch Huana. Get it. Heck yeah, Steve S. Eat Perez. Quicker, what's up, dude? Gabe. Blaze it up. Crack your brews. 2022 is coming to an end. This has been a brutal year. Here's the silver lining, guys. If you're new, if you joined in 2021 or 2020, here's the silver lining. If you survived this year, if you made it through 2022, you're good. You're good. Doesn't mean numbers won't go down. Doesn't mean your portfolio can't get more wrecked, but you're good. This was by far the craziest crypto year ever, with insolvencies, collapses, contagions, like we talked about at the beginning. By the way, this stream will be time-stamped, so you can go back and check out the alpha after the stream if you missed some. By far, there hasn't been a scarier year since, I would say, 2013 Mt. Gox. Like, Mt. Gox, definitely, like, the comparison. You made it. You made it through the hardest one. Honda Man, appreciate you, Tom. Thanks for all the awesome streams this year. You know what? Happy goodbye 2022. Happy goodbye 2022 to you all. You know what? I didn't even include that in the yearly recap. We, as a channel, broke so many records. On our FOMC meetings, we had more than one live stream with more than 5,000 people concurrently watching. That's like a small cable news network. That's thanks to all you guys. You guys rock. You guys are the rock of this channel. You're the reason we've grown while others have faltered, stagnated, and shrank, because we have the best community and the best people, hands down. But those FOMC meetings, man, we had our highest peak of viewers was 5,250 maybe. Something like that. That's insane. Guys, we only have 70 71, 72,000 subscribers. Like, that's wild, dude. Those are big numbers. Let me see what else happened in the channel. A little review of the channel. We started doing more live trading content. That's new. Started trading live on BingX. Shout out to BingX. We ditched the patron mentorship model and moved to having exchanges pay me to support the channel. So we switched revenue streams. That's pretty good. That's big. Yeah, we launched a web page, which actually is now officially launching. I know we kind of launched it before, but we launched a new market blog, crownanalysis.com. We're just now populating it with articles, and it'll be nice and flushed out. But going forward, we're going to be having many different authors. If you're interested in writing anything finance, anything business, and you'd like to have your articles published, hit me up in Discord. We can publish them. We can share the AdSense revenue, etc. with you. We published this. It's looking pretty dope. This is the first article I wrote. This article got, I think, 75,000 impressions or views. It was a nice in-depth on stocks, gold, crypto, bonds, etc., and kind of some conclusions, Forex as well. Check out crownanalysis.com. We're hoping to make that big next year. That's like our big push. It's our next big thing. Historical closes. What else happened? We hit 70K. We passed, I believe we passed 50K this year. I thought we were going to get 100, but 72 is great. Oh, we started making shorts. I forgot. That's new. What else is new, guys? Can you remind me? There's too much. I forget. These awesome shorts. I hired a full-time editor this year to help me with these. These are amazing. You check them out on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, wherever you want. Playlist. The trading education playlist. Fire. Just like fire shorts. Very brief. Very educational. Very high quality. Love them. Love them. I guess Twitter. We broke 25K. What else happened? What else happened? Does anyone remember? Help me with my memory. Shorts on Bajarki. The man Bajarki joined us. It's better to lose $100,000. Oh, is it better to lose $100,000 or gain $3 million in crypto than working 9 to 5 all your life? You just start again if you lose, but if you spend your life working, you never start. Damn, that hits deep. Bajarki hitting deep here with the super chat. Dude, everything is about risk and reward. Those who take on no risk never see reward. And the more we see markets for what they truly are over these years, because that was big. I didn't even think of that. In the last 2 years, we had like Robinhood with the GME AMC debacle, disabling trading and stuff. That was eye-opening for markets and for market retail participants. This all isn't what it appears to be. It's not a fair system like it is supposed to be. In fact, it's a highly manipulated system, stocks, Forex included. That was huge. But if you don't take risk, you'll never have reward. Now, successful traders, above all else, know how to manage that risk. If you don't know how to manage risk, if you don't even know what that means, you got a lot of learning to do. Got a lot of learning. That's the start. That's the start. Whoa. Everything just froze. What's up, DigiDave? How you doing, bro? Crypto Pup. Gina, I love you. Big Red. Love the shorts using the indicators now. Nice. Dave Digital. Bitcoin thought I was going to hit 100. Stopped around 70. Coincidence, maybe. Well, at one point, so I promised you guys years ago that when Bitcoin hit 100K, I would get my first tattoo live. I'd stream it. I thought I was going to get my tattoo last year. I literally, like in April or May or something, I remember being like, oh shit, I better put this together. Like, I better figure out what I'm going to get tattooed on me. Didn't happen. Phew. No tattoos. Still virgin skin. I thought that, I thought I was going to hit 100K, and now we're actually on course to beat Bitcoin to 100K. This channel, thanks to you guys, may hit 100,000 subscribers before Bitcoin hits $100,000. I'm my hero. Did Gina start this year? That was last year. I believe that was last year. But Gina, Full moon theory has been made this year. Well, full moon theory in trading, that's as old as time. What's the full moon? What's the phase today? Let's see. The 3rd or the 4th? Looks like maybe the 5th? Is it the 6th? Oh my jeebs. January 6th will mark the next full moon. Pay attention. I have long kind of discarded full moons and new moon cycles. And, oh man, my camera's frozen over on TikTok. Oh well. Is what it is. Is what it is. I've long discarded them or not wanted to believe in them, but they're reality, man. They're reality. What other kind of great memories do you guys have? I bet Wendy is a great mom. I bet she is too. What's up, Father Braids? Full moon trading. Let's go. Kind of, I looked at LUNC yet. I have not. Bajarki with another 20 memberships. My God, this man's out of control. Someone stop him. Someone stop him. You don't have to stop him. LUNC, you're right. I forgot about LUNC. We'll take a peek. Bajarki gifting those memberships. Make sure you have them enabled. Crypto Pup. Steve S. Getting them memberships. At this point, everyone has memberships. So, like, if you're here, you're going to get one. All you have to do is make sure that you have gift memberships enabled. It should prompt you when you join the stream. If you didn't see it, try refreshing the stream. If it doesn't pop up, you probably have it. Make sure you put something in the chat. Make sure you're subscribed and like the live stream because it favors people who have engaged with the live stream. So if you want one, get your engagement in. That also counts chatting. What's up, Feardy? Feardy Weiss, how you doing, bro? D. Henley, Caveman, Mr. Cass, Rice Heil. You want a membership, George T? I got a feeling you might get one. Still salty about Celsius, says no eggs. Thank God. Remember, guys, years ago, I was considering accepting a sponsorship from BlockFi. Thank God I never got tangled up in any of that. Thank God. Miracle. I would feel so bad if I ever steered you guys wrong. God. I don't know what I would do. I'd be depressed. Bry Kazg, looking for a 5-minute falling wedge bull run. All right, let's go. Let's go. Who else got memberships? Father Braids, there you go, man. Osgour Kaplan, Planet Worth, Bin Chicken. Bin Chicken. Byron Chicken. Ben Tate, Georgios Theodosio, Sam Galley, Joel and Haley. Wadstra. Sayafik Kazmi. Reeded Wald. I don't even know how to say some of these names. It's pretty wild. Congrats, everyone that got a membership. Jeez, how many is that, Bajarki? 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 more memberships. We went from like 60 total to like 400 now. There's your Christmas presents. I love you all. What's up, Nate? Happy end of 2022, Nate. Cheers. What's up, Ali, Luckman, Hani, Althwab. How you doing? Crypto Jung, Grig, Jima, Steger, Darius, Domini. How y'all doing? Happy end of 2022. We're having our wrap up live stream. Oh, well, okay. So our TA on Luna C, pretty decent. I'll walk you through it. So originally I was looking for a rejection at resistance right here, 00161. We didn't get it. Luna C ran through resistance, but then got slapped back down by its descending high trend. Womp womp. We were looking for a rejection from 000161 back to 000138. So we overshot the high target, but as you can see, zoomed in here on the 4 hour, our TA was on. Perfect touch to support. Will it hold? I don't know. Perfect touch to support. Let's take a peek at our indicators. 4 hour looks strong. I think we're going to see more upside. Daily actually looks really weak, but maybe it'll look to roll over. Womp. 50 more coming. Enable gifting, says Mr. Bajarki. 50 more. Oh my goodness. Mr. Bajarki, you are the man. You are the man. I'm going to be looking on Luna C for a test of resistance again. I like what I'm seeing on the lower time frames. Hourly looks good. 4 hour looks good. 2 hour looks kind of janky, actually. I'm thinking just very mild upside. Let's look at the month. Luna C still didn't fully test its monthly support from June. Monthly opens and closes at 00115, but it does look like it's heading down there. I could definitely see this set up as a 3 rising methods. If we saw a very large green candle on Luna into the next year. Oh my goodness, I don't even know if I can read them all. 50 more memberships. That's 150 from Bajarki, my dude. My guy. Bajarki blowing it up with the memberships over on YouTube. Love it. Sorry that the video feed froze on TikTok. I don't really know what to tell you. I guess I could try to delete it and then add a scene. No. One sec. Let me see if I can fix this while the 50 memberships over on YouTube are being doled out by Senor Bajarki. Senor Jarki. Alright, let's see if I can fix the camera. Stretch to fit screen. Did not work. Oh no. Why is this not working? What the heck? Can I center it? Sorry guys. Center? Just not working. Wow, that's poops. That's poops, my goops. Alright, I'll move on. Let's try one more time. One more time. Sorry, people over on TikTok. I don't know. TikTok froze the feed there. And yeah, it's just not coming up. So, oh well. I'm going to do this instead. We'll just do this. If you're ever on TikTok, you can join us on YouTube. That's where the fam is anyway. There we are. Done with that. 50 more memberships, my G's. I'm pretty sure everyone has one. If you got an emoji, if you got a membership gifted to you over the last few weeks, put some emojis in the chat. Put them in the chat. Do it for the Vine. You ain't gonna do it. Not a lot else there. I can see some short-term upside price action on Luna C, but I don't know. It kind of looks like it just wants to retarget that resistance it broke. Maybe then it rejects and follows our 1,618 to 2 measured move down at support 0,011 or 0,001. Maybe I look to short it. Not financial advice. Let's see how this plays. Something like this. Taking that resistance as the entry, potentially looking to take profit at 00113, maybe 001. Kind of looking for a stop just above your previous high. I think that's pretty slick trade. That's pretty slick trade. Let's put that there. Let's peek at Coingecko, see what Coingecko's doing. That's right, guys. Dude, the whole chat's green. George T wants to join. No. George T, we want you to join, bro. Okay. Trust Wallet. Jeez, Trust Wallet is either the highest gainer or highest loser every day. Weird. OKB, 5% in the last day. Algorand, 17 cents. No, my 20-cent buy is ruined. APT, Ton, Nexo, boring. Litecoin up there with 3% gain in the top 10 for the last 24 hours. Hedera down, the biggest gainer today, or biggest loser, minus 5%. Frax shares, BTSC, Near Protocol. We could take a peek at Near. I know we looked at that recently. Let's take a peek. I want to take a peek at Near, and I want to take a peek at DESO, actually, because I got an alert. DESO. Near BTC. Looks like it's gunning for support at quad 054. Gunning. Let's look at it on dollar pair. It has held its low from earlier in the month. Not looking so hot, though. Get some bullish divergences on your low time frames, but that's not so exciting. Did not get the move to 144, it seems. Lower low on money float, not a hot take. Potentially bullish divergence on the day is building still, but I don't love it. I don't love the way it looks. Let's look at the month. Man, DESO, or Near Protocol, it looks a lot like Hedera. It looks like HBAR in the sense of you broke major support. That was at $1.55, and now you really don't have much until your kind of monthly levels down here at 64 cents. Not awesome. Okay, cool. Lining up with the rest of the crypto market, Near is in a bearish engulf candle, and that will remain true if in the next 4 hours, 23 minutes, it can't trade above $1.38. That would be, these are all the targets, man. Like, You want to see this bearish engulfed yearly off the table. You want to see it. It's very close here for near. And that makes it look a lot more like total crypto market cap than some other charts. DESO breaking support. Looks like it's headed for $5.69. Nice. Monthly is wrapping up, and despite a red month, hasn't broken its August September 22 lows. Yeah, I'm looking for support at 570 on DESO. Looking for that support. Not a lot of other ways to cut the chart. Yearly chart, I wonder if there's more history, but either way, this looks like hot garbage. Minus 94% in 2022. Rest in peace, people who bought at the start. Man, this was $107. This is $190. Now it's trading at 6. We're looking for like 540. Wild. Wild discounts. Super wild. Litecoin, go little buddy, go. Go, go, go. Let's put a question mark there so people can't say I'm giving advice. Litecoin, Bitcoin, you can do it, buddy. Since we looked at you last, you're already up. Just a little bit more to go. A little bit more. Bitcoin, kind of ugly, but just trading sideways through the live stream as it usually does. 300 viewers with 270 likes. Can we get 420? Let's blaze it. 50, 90, jeez, 110. I don't even know. Bajarki just going mad with the memberships. Shout out to him. Good dude. Good dude. SNX, please. Bajarki, anyone? I have a few near on the near wallet. It is no security on it, no passcode. Do you recommend any wallet? I just have one coin in every wallet. I do not know, actually. I don't know. I would use my Ledger, probably. I like Atomic Wallet as well for kind of multi-coin storage, hot storage, not big amounts. Emma D, 3 month magnet. 2022 has been a wild ride. 2023 might bring us to the other side. I like that. They tried, they lied, and now Bitcoin will have its time. LFG, Happy New Year. Happy end of 2022 to you guys. Happy end of 2022. It's a good day to end the year. What's up, Timmy, my friend Gabriel? Sharknado with the longest running membership, 35 months. COTI, 5-day, he says. Oh, sure. Sure. Only because you have the longest running membership. Just playing. 5-day. Okay. A day. I don't know what you're looking at. I mean, you have a lower low in RSI without the lowest low in price. What is this? What's on the 5-day, Mr. NATO? COTI not looking potentially to close a bearish engulfed yearly. Honestly, guys, I would pay attention to any crypto that, especially if total crypto market cap and Bitcoin both close bearish engulfed yearlies, I would keep my eye on any coin that doesn't. We've looked at more than a few this episode. More than a few. COTI to me, be looking for 4.75 cents. 4.75. I don't know what you're looking at, Sharknado. You have to tell me. That's looking pretty clear. I don't know what you're looking at. Yay, fam. Yay, fam! 2022 is ending. Yay, fam. F 2022. Prematurely blazing. That's okay. You're all allowed to. It is the end of 2022. You're allowed to blaze. But let's get the blaze member. Let's get our 420 license anyway, though. Like, just for good measure. Let's get that. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Love it. Love it. Love it. 2022 is coming to an end. I could not be happier. I could not be happier, guys. This year has been just so long and so grueling and so slow. I'm ready for some spice. Some yearly spice. Love it. Mask going up. I don't know about that. I don't have a chart. Our long position, a little more in profit than it was. Okay. What's Mask doing? I don't know if that's like worthy of getting excited yet. I don't know. What will happen today? Quicker. Your account is considered a brand account. I don't even know what that means, dude. I don't even think my account's a brand account. Or, I mean, maybe it is, but I can still get memberships. I don't know. Don't know. These YouTube memberships are still new to me. I don't really get them. Go Litecoin, go. Gonna get spicy tonight. I'm gonna get saucy. I'm gonna get nice and saucy tonight. Gonna get saucy. You just grabbed 25k algo. 7k Matic. Buying the blood, man. Just make sure you have a plan. Like, you know, never invest money that you can't afford to lose. But Jarky, I think I gave 1,000 memberships over the last few days. Subscribe, enjoy all, and Happy New Year. I lost count. But Jarky, you're the man. You the man. You've given so much. I appreciate you. Everyone appreciates you. Lost the stream for a second, probably. How many members? I have no idea at this point. I have no idea. The counter on my side on analytics doesn't really show it right. Here's what it shows me. This isn't right though, because this is too low. It says we have 330 members. We have more than that. It'll just take time to update. All right, guys. All right, make sure you're in the Discord. Make sure if you're looking for an exchange, use my link, Bybit, BingX. It helps support the stream. Doesn't cost you anything, and in fact, you get some pretty sweet bonuses for using them. Check out crownanalysis.com. Check it out, bookmark it, because more articles, more news is going to be coming to you in the new year. We made it through the shittiest year I've ever been in. This has been such a bad year for markets. Cheers, fam. May 2022 never bother us again. May 2023 bring us wonderful gifts. I love you all. Rain or shine, red or green, we'll be here. We'll be here. And hopefully you'll be here with us. So jump in the Discord. We're going to be doing our live airdrop of some Bitcoin for everyone. I love you guys. I'll see you in 2023. Crown out. You survived. You did it.